Hello, everyone. Today I'm gonna do demo V2 Data Engine fast rebuilding feature. So before we start, we need to make sure the environment is correctly configured for V2 Data Engine. Besides, we need to prepare some block disk for V2 volumes. Then we can start. The demo by enabling the corresponding setting first, which should be V2 Data Engine. It should be this. You need to enable this uh, for this feature. Then we can prepare a workload pod using a V2 volume. So here we will use an example in Longhorn repo. Then we will enter into this workload pod, write some data into the corresponding volume, create some snapshot, and calculate the data checksum for the later on verification. First of all, we will write the first data file into the file system and sync it. Since somehow the underneath disk is a little bit slow, so this may take some time. Create the first snapshot, and then let's write the second data file. So the second snapshot is created. Now we will create the last one. So wait. I wrongly override the second file, but it doesn't matter. Let's prepare the third file anyway. Okay, so for the last part of the data is stored in the volume head. So we won't create a snapshot, but then before we exit, we need to calculate the checksum for all file. Now we will crash one instance manual pod, the replica reside on. This is a simulation of the node down case. So once the crash happens, the corresponding replica on that node should become failed. Then Longhorn will automatically restart the corresponding instance manager pod, as well as start fast rebuilding for that failed replica. Okay, let's say we will try to fail this one, the first replica shown in the UI. So let's delete it. Now it's marked as failed, and for the fast rebuilding feature, it will pick up the failed replica and try to use existing data inside this failed replicas, so that we can avoid a lot of unnecessary sync up. So here you can try to search reuse in the corresponding pod log. You will see a lot of reuse. There are some reuse related logs for the existing snapshots inside the previously failed replica. This would help a lot. Okay, now the rebuilding completes. And let's recalculate the checksum. Yeah, exactly the same. And if we want to write more data, this should work as well. So without this fast rebuilding feature in this kind of relatively low spec environment, the rebuilding should take a relatively long time rather than, let's say, thousands of seconds. So I think that's it. Thank you.